Nice to meet you. I'm Gwen. I'm here from Surabaya. I'm studying data science here in Western Sydney University, Indonesia. So the reason I chose data science is because I really love math and I find data super interesting. What's more is that data science is really in high demand right now. I think it is the hands-on learning opportunities, especially the seminars, workshops from Launchpad. It have been amazing and way better than I expected. I learned a lot of stuff from them and I even joined the community for hustlers. I believe that the university's data science program really focuses on practical skills and has great industry connections that you don't see anywhere else. Our university uses effective teaching methods like workshops and real-world projects to keep us ready for the fast-changing data landscape. So actually, my lecturers and tutors are very supportive. They're always willing to help, whether it's through extra classes or one-on-one time. And actually, it really boosts my confidence in class and helps me understand better. I love the vibe at the Surabaya campus. Everyone is really friendly, from classmates, seniors to professors. It honestly feels like home. I also joined the Student Executive Board and Band Club since I love to create events and sing. I had a lot of fun with the others. They're all very open-minded and friendly, which makes it very amazing.